So page number 2, like so and so. Now one more thing, suppose in a word, suppose if you did a mistake, then how to just clear? So control Z is there, very simple, control Z. Now the question may arise how it is stored. So this each and every operation stored in the clipboards. Fine. So it allows the 24 the text and objects in the clipboards. Now the funda is there. Fine. When we just exit from the particular documents, when we exit from the document, then and we come out document, only the one clipboard is allowed. When we just but restart the machine, then it will not just we cannot just retrieve the same contents. How retrieve the so control Y. So control Z and control Y is undo and redo options are there, which much familiar we frequently use the documents for the undo and redo. The word itself give the its own meanings. Fine.
Okay, sir, you have discussing the too much thing should be in a page formatting. Sir, it is possible how to be doing in a proper formatting some data. For an example, in our colleges we have used something like the student roll number, student name. There should be also the particular subject, particular one subject mark, subject 2 mark, subject 3 mark. That's something we can the proper arrangement of this in your pages should be it should be available. Something we can say that in a row and the column format the data can be arranging. It is possible in this in a word maybe.
Yes, yes. So in that case we have to use the functionality about the table, creation of tables. Okay. In the creation of table, we may store the textual information, we may store the numerical information, even we may apply some sorting up to some limitation the sorting have, but we may apply sorting, we may use some formulas on the table. Let us take the example about the table, so it will be clear our ideas. Fine. So I have created one table. How to just create? Let us create one more table. Fine. Just go to the insert, create a tables. Now it gives how much. See, basically a table is nothing but what? It is a collection of row and columns. So how much row we want to create, how much columns we want to create, just first we have to fix up. Suppose example, suppose we want to just create 3 columns and 2 rows, then just select it. So these are the columns and this is called the cell. The intersection of the rows and column, it becomes the cell. Fine. So the various formattings are also available, table level formatting, row level formatting, column level formatting and cell level formatting are there. So the good example is, let us instead of the typing each and everything news, let us take the example of this ready-made table I have created. So we may type Akash Engineering Limited, March 29, March 2000 likes. Here we enter the numerical data are there. Fine. So we may enter in that way. Now I suppose I want to just do the summation. Fine. Now how to create? So when we insert a table, then how to, suppose later on we require the one more row also. How to just use the tab. Use the tab options. Just use the tab with the keyboard. Just press next key. So automatically the next row will be available here blank. Now suppose we want to do the summation of these particular columns. So these are the columns are there. Fine. Now we want to do the summation of this column. How to do? Just go to this particular cell where we want to submit. Fine. Okay. The formulas, we have to go for the formulas.
Sir, it is sorting is also possible for that.
Yes, sorting is also possible that, but how this sorting is different than the of the Excel. Here in Excel, when we change any data, then again the sorting will be reflected. Okay. But in the Word, when we change the data, then it will not be reflected.
Okay, okay. Sir, it is also the mail merge something should be an important topic over here.
Yes.
What is the mail merge? I listening in so many time over that the mail merge can be used in a different way. In a different segments can be in the business segments, in the government segments. How to be in a too much important and how to be in a create over that and how to be in a generate over that. Something you can provide the knowledge to this us.
Yes, mail merge again the very important the functionalities of the any administration sections. Okay. Suppose example, let's talk about the academic example. Suppose that there are the one class is there, the 60 students are there, and we want to just maintain the attendance each and every lectures. Fine. Now we want to aware about the parents whether the son or daughter is regular or not, and so for that every month we want to send a letters. So if you use the normally just traditional method, then whatever you have to just write the particular percentage of the attendance of the particular students in the particular letters, just print out and you have to send them. But if you just make a table basically with data, the roll number is there, student name are there, percentage of the particular month, and just create a one documents. So with the help of one documents, if we use the mail merge functionality, then it is very easy to just produce a number of letters, and the data again become the varies. Okay, so number of letters will be available, and we may print and dispatch to the particular parents. Now how to just use the mail merge function? Let us go to the particular options.
ओपन करो ओपन
Okay, this is the letter we have already typed. Fine. Now respected guardian like so and so and so. Okay. Now in that there are two things are required. First, the letter, the content which you want to just distribute to the parents. Secondly, the detailed information about the students. Which information again? This is we can say database. We can say data. Okay. The data again with the different formats. Fine. In the tables also, maybe the external the database are there. We may use here. Fine. Here the data is in my Excel files. Fine. Yes, we may use the data with the word itself also. Okay. We may create a one table in the forms of numerical and characters, and same data we may use here. There are other techniques are there. Fine. But normally the data is again the large are there manipulated. So normally data available in the Excel file. So I am just opening the Excel file also. Let us show the data how exactly it resides. Fine. So these are the Excel files. It contains the number of rows and columns, the serial number, roll number, surname, name, father's name, first week of attendance, second week of attendance, total and percentage. So the data are reside like that way. Now how we convert into, how we use this data into the my documents. I am just closing this. Fine. I have already opened this letter. Fine. Go to the mailing options. Fine. Start the mail merge. Fine. See, if we are the initial level, then we use the step by step mail merge wizard. This is very much helpful to us. Fine. Step by step mail wizard. Later is there again. Starting the documents. Use the documents. Next, which database we want to incorporate here? So browse where our data is reside. Fine. Let us use this. Fine. Okay. Fine. Here. Next, write your letters. Fine. Now next is where we want to insert the particular data. So now the data are available in the insert merge field. We have to insert a merge field. So studying in MCA, your data like here insert a merge field data like sub roll number. Just put a space. Fine. Then surname. These are the data available in the Excel files. Fine. Names. Again father names. Fine. Yes, we may use the formatting concepts like the bold, underline. We may use here. Fine. Yes. Now let us see the percentage here. Use the field percentage. Fine. Again bold it. Fine. Now next is, now we want to just see this whether data is available or not. So you may see that the preview results. So 10 MC01 Ahuja Jayesh Satish, fine, is a studying MC like so. So the data is available. Suppose this is the first data. His attendance is 38%. I want to see the next record. Just press this button. Next record. Up to the which other records are there. The text is again the varies as per the particular formattings. Fine. Now, so these are the steps are there. With the help of inserting fields, we are creating. Now the question may arise. I want to just produce the number of letters. So but we do not want to produce all the letters. Those attendance is below 75. I want to produce letter. So these again the options are available here. So we may edit. Filtering. Percentage is less than 75. Fine. Now you may see that the record are only displayed those who are the below 38, below 75. Fine, 33, 76 is like so and so. So these are very important functionality of the mail merge. Now we want to just complete the mail merge. Fine. So and we want to see the individual letters. Go to all. So now you may see that all the letters are ready-made available. Just we have to just take print out here. How to just take print out? Again we may use the print preview options. Exactly we want to see like that way. Fine, and just print. So these are the way, and really it is a very important functionality of the any office environments. And same way, so suppose we are just we may just send the interview letters like some application letter like so and so with the help of mail merge. So now we cover all the basic feature of the Word 2007. There are lots of features are there, but introductory I think this is very important and useful to in future. Suppose you have some doubt and query, then you may go to the different reference book and the materials. You may increase your knowledge.
Okay, thank you, sir. In this today you have provided the too much good knowledge for regarding this in MS Office for that, and the sir has should be eminent personalities in the Gujarat over that, and also today in this in my request over that he's come over here and also to be provided the too much knowledge over. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, please. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.